So as you mentioned, MV, earlier, yes, the nation's former chief medical advisor, Dr. Anthony Fauci, was back on Capitol Hill yesterday for his first public appearance, his first public testimony since retiring from public service. Fauci insisted that he's always been open to the theory that COVID came out of a lab in Wuhan, China. House Republicans grilled Dr. Fauci on his response to the COVID pandemic and accused him of trying to cover up links to China because he helped fund experiments at the infamous Wuhan lab. Let's hear from Fauci.
No,
It wasn't you. It wasn't what you were funding.
What I'm saying is that I cannot account, nor can anyone account, for other things that might be going on in China.
So Republicans say that the 6 feet apart social distancing recommendation by federal health officials was arbitrary and not based on science. Fauci insisted that the 6-foot guidance did not come from him, but the CDC, and he just merely repeated it. Now, Georgia Republican Marjorie Taylor Greene slammed Fauci for his guidance during the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's hear from her.
Children all over America were forced to wear masks. Healthy children forced to wear masks, muzzled in their schools. And then they were forced to learn from home because of your so-called science and your medical suggestions.
But this was nothing we've seen before. So how would somebody be prepared for something they never seen before?
But not muzzled, yo. It's so dramatic.
Muzzled, yeah, very
Exactly.
dramatic.
I agree, MV. So yeah, but she was right. There was no science behind it, which basically meant that there were no clinical trials to back up the fact that 6 feet will actually work. Mask will actually work, things of that nature. So Fauci did say that public health officials will take a closer look at the cost-benefit ratio of things like vaccine mandates and, those type of guidances. But Republicans are are suggesting that Fauci attempted to evade public records laws, and they're demanding he turn over private emails and phone records